Hello, my friend. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope you're having a good day today. Happy holidays. We are in the November now, and Thanksgiving is coming. I hope you all have a great holidays and happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Today I'm gonna show you some ideas for wreaths from Dollar Tree. I hope you like it. I have it as just ideas. I didn't secure all of them with hot glue and most of the video when you will see it with me. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like it if you really enjoy it, and share it with your friend. Subscribe to my channel. I will be glad and happy to have you here with me. I will gonna show you the first idea. I used the circle wreaths. I bought the green garland from Dollar Tree. Again, this was from 2 years ago, so I was showing you some ideas. I wasn't good enough at filming. I hope you like the ideas and get inspired to do your own ones affordably and a good budget without having to pay a lot to do one or to buy one for a lot of money from other stores. So I used green glistening tape from Dollar Tree also. I'm sorry, it's the white one to look like snow, and I just tuck it like that. If you love the idea, use the hot glue and secure it all inside. But it have kind of rough type, so it was sticking to the green garland by itself. That's why it made it easy for me to show you the ideas without having to glue everything. Just I was trying to inspire you with the ideas without having to be on one idea only. I can use the wreath to show you some more ideas. So just arrange it the trees and put the house and the two reindeers. They look absolutely gorgeous. This second one, I begin to use some flowers and glittery one from. They were all from Dollar Tree when it was like all $1. So now it's $1.25. But a good idea for you, it's at Walmart still some of the flower like that, and this small glittery one, it will be for only 98 cents. So maybe you grab those now from Walmart, like I will do if I need when I need all of those flowery. I will get it from Walmart, cheaper and better. And I'm just arranging them to look like a flowery wreath with some glittery vines with it. I hope you like the idea. It's easy to make, and just hot glue everything together, and maybe you can add a tree in the middle like I'm showing you now, or maybe a little more trees to elevate it up. Maybe you can only hang a star on top of it, on the top. Just the ideas vary, and of course you can be just inspired and add your own ideas with it. I like it as flower only, easier, and the simpler it looks, the gorgeous it would be. This one I got the glitter doll from Dollar Tree, the candy cane wreath, and I didn't cut them out. I was just tucking it from the back to the top and grab a little bit of it to look like a flower. And I kept doing that, and then I did a pattern, gold and silver with the tulle. I maybe used in this time like four rolls of the doll, like two gold and two silver, and I'm showing you the idea. And because I didn't secure it with any wire flower or a zipper, I just be able to use it again if I need it. Like, I did this idea like that, but after that, if I need to take them out and use them in another project, I can, and I can use the candy cane again with a different decoration. Uh, in this idea, I thought that only one green garland wasn't enough. It wasn't thicker and fuller, so I put another one. So it was like the circle wreath, the metal one, and two of the green garland, and it make it more fuller and heavier. And this Merry Christmas truck, it's amazing. It's the classic one. It's really very good to have one, or maybe a bunch to use around the house or to make different types of wreaths. It's really good, it's really beautiful. I love it. I love to have more than one every year. um, you can put some flower at the end, you can put the tree with it, and it would be gorgeous. Or you can, another idea, you can put the flowers, and on top you can put cross, you can put a star. I like it better with the truck, so I told you that maybe I will do the truck. Another idea, I took the truck out. I began to arrange some of the Christmas ornament bowl. I did a pattern of the color like red, gold, and green, and I repeated it. And it really was easy, but looks beautiful and gorgeous. And a small project like that, you can do it with your kids. They would be very happy to have the ability to do the wreath by themselves, and it looked gorgeous, and they just, mom, I did it. And it will be on the outside door, and whenever someone is coming to your house and say, wow, you have a gorgeous wreath outside, they will be really happy to have that they did with it. Making an easy way to make a bow, just cut 3 inches of the ribbon. It's also from Dollar Tree, and I saw that they have it this year again. And just use a zip tie and zip it with it. After you fold it in half, and if you notice the end of each one of them, I already cut it as when you cut it with the scissor to a half to look like the end of a ribbon, and just fold it on and make it look fuller again, and secure it with a zip tie. I used the buffalo check scarf from Dollar Tree. Just it's viral for some years now, and you can add the decoration at home for some buffalo check prints, and on a budget. Just grab a few of the scarf and use it all around with some wreaths, hang it on the wall. You can leave put one of the scarf on the coffee table, and arrange it on top of it with some more decoration for Christmas. Or you can just put one on a chair with some cozy blankets. It will be elevated it and very good. Like you see, I used it all around one metal circle wreath. I thought it was not full enough, so I took it out, I put the greenery, and then I wrapped it again. And now I'm showing you some other ideas, just to I'm playing around to show you the ideas so you can get inspiration to what it would look like. The word belief from Dollar Tree, the star from Dollar Tree, the ribbon from Dollar Tree, everything from Dollar Tree, even those gorgeous reindeers. Just really, it's so beautiful like that. And even these small trucks are from Dollar Tree, and it's there. I was at Dollar Tree 2 days ago, and it was still there, everything of those, each one. And there is the metal words like joy, peace, and love, and you can use them also. I'm showing you different ideas how to arrange them, maybe on top with the ribbon, maybe at the end, and some flowers instead of the reindeers, maybe. Just do whatever you love and whatever you see that is beautiful. I hope you like my video. I hope you like the ideas I got. I will be having much more videos and more ideas with more inspiration. It would be better than this. I will do some recycling too. I hope you wait for it and subscribe to be with me and to enjoy more videos with me. Please leave me a comment, tell me your opinion, and if you have any ideas for me, if you have any thing you want me to do next, or you need any inspiration with any ideas, just tell me. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'm happy and glad to have you with me. Wait for my next videos. I said a lot of apps recycling and great new ideas. I hope you love them all, and until we meet again in another video, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.